Diamond Michelle. Pachodine is saying third word no.
Diamond Michelle.
Akwaba bebre.
Oh, yeja ana.
Pachai.
Yenya. Okay, that's response to the and I make a mistake. Felicia, my listeners. Good morning, everyone. Sorry, send my voice. I say, I am Michelle Diamond Bagona. Yes, we possibly slanging and I'm a casa Bagona. But I know the member and in Sawan over chair.
Me pacha no crap.
I know me a chair.
Me Chimako baby.
Oh, who's popularly known as Shatta Michy. This is Yamboki, you know.
I said British word. It's nice. I said bo.
Yeah.
Bo. Mama kwa biche da muntu membo. Shatta Michy.
Yeah.
Gabono. Gabana.
And you ever say bag? Go. Na.
Gabana.
Hey, brother. Me funny sir.
No,
na Gabana na cow.
Don't say Gabana.
Sorry, I'm no Obi car, sexy car to the car, yeah. Then power chow, Bagona. Yes.
From here.
I do the same PM, calendar.
Fear cry.
The history of the team there, I just remember me.
And with me, true.
I could teach you why behind you.
Until next time, Yao Bar. And answer what the permission. El Mamo, just to enlighten us.
Oh, yeah, definitely. I would ask her.
You can't say Shatta Michy. Describe yourself in 5 words.
5 words.
Yes.
Resilient, strong. I call myself wise at this point because in same way, yeah. So now me first no me jai kaka.
It's the first that I can't find wise in come.
Maybe chana you sign Jimmy and I should say we are wise.
Okay.
Yeah. My good mother and count there because that's the best job I've ever been given in my life. And being a good mother just sums up everything I am, you know. That's the most difficult job ever.
Being a mother.
Yes, so what it you be and that's what they say, you know. Like who know I our team. It's a combination of powers. It's that alone sums up my entire life. If I can do that, I'm a superwoman.
You can be a pilot, so to my sir.
Hey, pilot car.
It's being a mother. Because 6 years ago, 6 years back, and I said 7 years back. Majesty 7.
I'll call 8. July.
Yeah. If I say 8 years ago, what say you be the mother you are now? What's now picture of one? Because saying I am warrior, me what may you say? Matia me ban mama ba so you say into living the things you said back then.
Yeah.
Is it different?
I don't think I actually had a plan for motherhood. I don't think giving birth was anything I ever thought of. Because I remember those days, me share obi o clean baby and the papa and say, no, me the only code and the man it's in the rain. You know, so I don't think I really had a plan for motherhood. I've taken it as a buy, and I'm loving it.
One should damn plan it.
One should damn because I'll be this kind of mother. I'll be no.
PTA.
PTA will go you.
Ade.
Me konto kwa. You say what? You are this person's mother.
Obani, you say.
Obafia me pisano. Did anybody bully you? Did anybody do this? It's your body and I'm there too.
You copy it. I'm
looking for your parents. I don't joke with my baby.
It's not parents next to say. Because I you never cry when it's you so
it's better I talk to you because the bus come one no babeko. And she said Miss Manchester who is that? Our friend hi. Hey, is it my only one picking? You want to do that too? Careful. So this time in school, me Shatta
and show up, sir. Or maybe
me paranoid mother bisa.
BBI,
Oh, my friend, me George.
But the lunchbox and bar, you go there.
Share. I mean, I'm showing up unannounced. I mean, brother, I see his face at Shiabisa and I mean, your investigation.
Then, of course, so.
I didn't know Jinaha. But now, because I'm Shatta Michy.
No hard journey.
Oh, even in the school. On Michy. But I'll be saying, you understand? About showing you. So far as what I said there. So I shall wear hanging hokran no bit you as a man.
But Munjan no hango. Munjano.
Just make sure, say, who we said, do you understand? But me explain here. They are good.
Into Ohana of our one as of papa. Ohana of our Subana.
Now, Subana doesn't look like my own. Hey, high spirits.
Sells one to Nafa.
Maybe not sure why yesterday you saw him on Bella show. Hey, what a character. This character is not mine. Farm Hofe.
The farm Hofe. And a book sem so a book sem.
The book, dear, me.
Papa, no, open.
No, but you want to cry, no. I like it.
Yes.
The high spirit, I like it. I like it because he gingers me, you know. It makes me feel like a man. And so much kambu. Hi, he's me sure. I have to run.
No, we are chasing, no.
Hey, I have to run. So it's cool. It's a nice combination.
I said he makes you alive.
Watch us.
Oh, this is the reason I'm waking up today.
Yeah,
I have a purpose.
Yeah. Because you see, I'm a fino.
And so school.
Yes, we go for me to me. I should have a hoka.
After school, me
chane keke.
That's how to be commander and I said,
oh, yes, I know they are bribe.
And so my dad, you give the madam's teacher for no more much. And I said,
with the end of the term, no much in my dear.
Sound.
It's by choice.
Look at home. I know madam for the Mundi Mubrunian. Maybe a dear Mubrunian. So, one day, he first a
Felicia. Okay. First, teaching.
Send me back. First, no.
Oh, bro.
Monterey.
It's your very majesty, so 15 class.
Just say, Okomoha. That's all. I want to take us out.
You chose the profession.
I want to take us out. Hey, okay, stay down with Jinaho. Wow. Sleep no and now.
Everyone shall be there now. You're going to resign and
95.1.
Take your teaching certificate. So, lady, I can't.
It was on the chair and I said,
oh, Minyanka, but away, yeah, it's so painful. Right now, who are we gonna give birth with? We can't send me per sperm donor.
Oh, to say, come at this almost so a baby. Me who no online article go online say,
pay.
Memano, Adwuma Adwuma for Memano. So person will donate to spare ma. Bra.
2,500 no.
Yes.
So you donate eggs to one.
I am sure so be finally after the audience never pass.
Oh, there's a business you say eggs for women 2,500 a week. Cause you're 1%. Bulk purchase.
We're ready.
I can donate. I'll donate all my eggs. Every week I'll produce.
You know, so much will be
neighbor. 2,500 per egg and I say every week. Per egg.
Yes, because
hey, I'm a layer. When you're
95.1.
Wow. So why are we suffering?
We're ready.
And me say.
Me need them by some do question for the animal. So I'll
check him. Wow.
Baby 5.
5? Me 5 1 me 5 half. If I could seen some hospital over here. What's your bulk features? Everybody should come.
Hey, and the Michy farms.
So hold on with the second baby. I mean, the economy is actually really hard now to have another kid. And I feel like you know, work hard and create one or two rich generation. What you say? Instead of saying we for now school fees. You say school fees is about 10,000 cedis. So we change it between two kids. That means I'm either reducing the quality of the school, or I'm increasing my hustle. It's not worth stressing the children. Oh, for some time. My brother, he was 12 before I was born.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we don't really have like a very tight bond because of the age gap. But it makes sense. Say, at least your first child goes through a lot of the struggles with you. So make sure, say, you are very stable before you have your next one. And hopefully, we can have 3 more boys.
Girl.
In future.
I didn't hear.
Once upon a time, my mother was gonna go crazy
because of you.
Yes, Stubborn Academy. Though I think I'm the one who created it, but I didn't have a name for the academy. Because mine was another. I was rebellious. Once a teenage years.
95.1.
If you don't have a way to manage your teenager as a parent and you want to be overprotective, it happens. And that's what happened. So I feel like it's harder to take care of girls. You know what you expect with a boy, but with a girl, you're scared of maybe a pregnancy, you're scared of diseases, you're scared of.
You're scared of, or don't know about drugs, or don't know about mom.
But you see, you expect those things from a boy until you know how to manage it from the start.
Okay.
But your bash can start with oh my dear, I know girls be no says, Jesus is coming, and their skirts are shorter than mine. Do you understand? People change, and especially with women. She can go from good to bad, and it's just like that. So it's a struggle. I feel it's more of a struggle with like training girls than boys, But
I don't prefer boys.
Oh, I need a squad
to protect you.
Come on, imagine I had like 3 more plus majesty titans, militants. Hey, if you mess with me, I'll call in my boys. Come and check your eyes.
She said, "Could do the X, and I be JB now. The boys.
Oh, there be a freezy bear for the 4 boys.
Next when you're 5.
Yes.
Hey, wow.
Oh no, I would love to. Yes, if God gives me the money I'm looking for there, I have more kids. I just want to make sure that I'm able to provide
and they are comfortable
more than necessary for the kids.
Onua FM 95.1.
And then yes, I'll conform my back. No more home uniforms and nice. We don't call Montana, so ferry.
Don't stress them. They didn't send you. Because they are very happy. They are just swimming inside something. Don't bring them here and stress them. Nah. I don't support that at all.
Listen, you may say more the same point 1 miano. Only you mean you was our kind so.
One year. No money, no more strike. Dear.
Okay.
I say a day, excuse me, take at all. And just
because you can give birth doesn't mean you should.
Yeah.
We are not
because you see, it's expensive. Children are expensive. They are an investment that doesn't come back.
I say see that.
Yes. A court, she can't call. So you need to, and you need a maximum care. Even say, I look at him sometimes and I'm amazed. I can hold on having another kid for a long time just to invest my time and finances into him to actually nurture that brightness at me home. What I say. Instead of having another one now, work is over for about 2 years because pregnancy, giving birth, and recovering is a 2-year job.
Yes. And getting your figure back.
Forget the figure. Getting your mental state back. It's a whole thing. Managing Debbie. Give all the attention to the 1 or 2 you have. Take your time.
Quality ones.
Quality. Woman, quality education, quality life. Let them enjoy. It's sure DB is where I
Of course.
Their parents worked hard to give them that life. So
Onua FM 95.1.
Do that.
Let's go to your music
Yes.
life.
Yes. Let's go there.
Yes. Who the new nice power bar out? Then they inspire wo. Spend the money. Spend the money.
Wow, the kind of songs I have now, dear, I can spend the money.
Me no na me mum de.
Me bunny wants more cry. So spend the money. My ex wrote that song for me.
Okay.
It was still in a year ago. Now, recording, Yoma. And that came about as maybe a fun times in the studio.
Na so when they say wa idea, ma me bibi keke.
Yeah, you know, girls like sugar daddies and
Yes.
men that like to spend. So, yeah, culture man, they say, don't feel shy to ask. So,
Onua FM 95.1.
I saw because me passre.
who pass and now Pesika.
Yes.
My name Pesika. Bisano, because when Bisano, we be Bisana. Aji.
Na say em bi so almost who say girl me na ti um bi say but she needs money.
That's the mistake we have been making.
Really?
The Bible says, ask and you shall receive. These people want to behave like God. And to give them that respect, we shall ask and we will insist to receive.
And now on can say,
Babe.
I'm assuming he
10,000
knows.
Ghana series.
Hey, and there so.
Bisa, if he can't give you that, he'll give you something, or at least you asked, you know. And I'm not saying spend the money on girls to do unnecessary things. What I say is just, daddy, spend the money, but yes, so yeah, that's quite an old song.
But it's nice. It be say yeah, me de.
95.1.
Because me tia, I say the old man chirimu no sana me tia say fa, but na be say me ti free work asa.
Spend the money.
Yes. But say new songs say oh.
I've got lovely songs. This year I want to drop some stuff, but
Why videos ni bibia wie.
Debbie, I have like about 10-12 songs.
Wow.
Yeah, I want to do a private listening.
Okay.
So that, you know, the music people can pick out maybe a solid 6 songs
Okay.
for an EP. And it's a music there. It's not like my main business. Yeah, I just realized I still have a market available for me, so I'd feed them with what they want.
And your main thing, but you are good at it. And I'm a
Yeah.
And I want to ex no, and I'm anything when you have good listening ear for music, and I'll also pay you music.
I've always loved music. I've always really
Onua
loved
FM
music. I've always
95.1.
been in entertainment, something. And you find me in music, something all the time. But he discovered it and made it professional, and
Okay.
you know, took my attention to that professional side of music. I can do it, and just said that's my main job.
Your
Yeah.
side bibia.
Yeah,
I say
for
hobby.
fun. Yeah.
DJ no bomi take kaka.
Back it up and make me back it up. Give me that lollipop. I just become so sure. Shatta Michy never come for joy. Spend the money, let it go. Spend the money out, let it go. Spend the money, spend the money out, let it go. Spend the money out, spend the money out, let it go, yo. Spend the money out, spend the money out. No money for face, money for waste, money for
When pay your hobby mpon said all the energy eto.
Oh, sir.
And then you mean idea dia. Came to me pressure no cry.
And then one day if you hear me singing gospel, they will be say,
Sir,
"Hey, my voice is even nicer when I'm singing for God."
when my capella na says
Oh, then you say, you know, how much I know is dealing with me.
and they said 27 for your masida. Oh, media general. Onua TV no Onua FM baba.
Okay.
27 gospel all gospel.
Mbatoyo.
Hi.
Mama Miska. Miska.
See bibia iska.
Sure. Even to get to God, and guess I have to bribe somebody. I hate to say,
Bibia is
I'll come and put people in their emotions.
Yeti. And you're showing you. You're showing you. And what's in movies? Coco Brown.
Yeah.
Open so I will show a movie in maybe 2 years' time, and I say that was something that is your hobby.
Oh, is it the thing about me? I'm a very versatile person.
Okay.
I can act, I can sing, I cook, I'm doing philanthropy. It's actually a struggle for me to settle on one thing.
Okay.
I don't want to focus too much on the struggle and just enjoy it.
95.
I don't think I'm going to go into movies or movie production. Debbie. I enjoy acting. I enjoy becoming a different person in every movie. I remember with Yvonne's movie, which I think has been nominated for the best movie of the year, The Men We Love. That was last 2 years, I think. Yeah. That's a BBC channel. It put me in a very nice character. I mean, play Vida.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's what I love about acting. Just becoming a different person for a moment. But to produce or write, I don't think so.
But to act today,
why not? It takes a lot to produce a movie. Yeah, I don't think I have that knowledge yet, and I wouldn't venture into something I'm not too knowledgeable about.
and our born.
A movie so a big investment. It's a trial and error. Yeah. Oh yeah, once and for all. Otherwise, you make a loss.
And yes, when your camera, when your boom, Tino.
Debbie.
I don't go for
It takes a lot more because I'm sure even on locations, going there, bro. Yeah, before they get to location. Now, when we finish, not Muchio can I'm sure we say, wow, it's Kapana, it's going like you scare me out. So I need to know that I'm making my money immediately. I'm more of a business person naturally than a showbiz person. Okay. Showbiz is by the side,
But yeah, there you go in or say
no, semi co-produce movie.
Me all my time.
Not at all. Maybe at a point, due to the people I meet, we can do something for the young people. I'm by industry. I like helping, so any way I can create a network where people can meet and then, auditions now sad, try your luck at being.
Maybe sad,
I can do that, but not to produce. Not to.
And our Jen in this restaurant.
So Chopios Foods. Hey. Chopios.
I think so. 2019, 2020.
Kumasi. 2018, 2019.
Yes.
Hey, Kumasi people, I will never forget you.
And then we
Kumasi for me to a journey. Obi or die journey. Na rider no de kwa or bar. Obi to me money planting.
Oh.
Let me say you bought food to send me food. That means yes, here, Johnny. No, they are just buying to support.
95.1.
I will never forget. Like, I feel like I need to set up something proper over there, to because Kumasi people have been good to me. Kumasi people have been good to me. Maybe I'm not Misheka. I didn't really need workers. The people around me.
Be a support here. Because
Kumasi is home. But your mama me a kiss. Obi I see me ya broken heart. Kumasi farmer me to me back I know be a show say, are you sure? You're broken hearted?
It's in the Kumasi or hideout now.
Kumasi greener pastures. For American they construction greener pastures. I went to Kumasi to look for greener pastures.
And I found it. One regret it.
Never. They gave me the peace of mind that I needed. You'll be better. Say, my bro, I'm going more way. Maybe I should be how
95.1.
I want
Come on, so for.
Are you very say? Because you have 5. And you see, they're so family oriented. I love Kumasi. I look forward to setting up business over there, permanently.
It's a hideout in now call and another person could set up business in
Kumasi was The way I got to Kumasi, I'm in person, 4 years later, 5th January, I am 4 years anniversary.
Oh, Kumasi hideout.
Yes. Kumasi was, by the way, Kumasi was Osei. You are wanted now, Johnny. Akoshe baby. Now within your I can't say your exile, no. I see my main pay business being here, and it worked out. So I don't want to go into how I got there, but I got there, and I did not regret choosing that place as my hideout.
Debbie.
And it wasn't even about Inije, it was about I needed to stay in a corner and think about myself. I see when Kumasi, you cannot be alone.
Debbie,
everybody's in your business. and they care, they truly care. I say, they already but
of a home.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it was good. Shout out to Augustine.
Oh, Kumasi.
Yes, Augustine empowered me with deliveries. Augustine, I'm really sure of it. I'll come and pay.
Oh.
Nah. Oh, my means.
Oh, Miss. Don't cry.
Yeah, 95.1.
Oh.
Then about strength. What gives you strength?
God, man. God. And when I say God, the vision will say, you, do you know God? Hey, but to me, for our. Sorry, what? The devil is a liar. We will finish this prayer. I'm a very prayerful person. If you are sorry, but God gives me strength. God gives me strength because, and you will be happy and I'm me who is saying, all along, even in the times where I was not praying, God has been there working. I've never gone hungry. I've never gone homeless. Like every day, say me broke cry, I come in 5 CDR. I know that by the end of the day, a miracle must happen. I didn't notice that it was miracles. I used to see it like, hey, I'm just a lucky person. But nobody is just lucky. We are not walking around here like that. We are spiritual beings. And that thing enables us. And I'll say, after acknowledging his presence in my life, he's been my strength. God's been good to me. God's been my strength a lot.
And I did that was sick.
Oh, amen.
And what weakens you?
What weakens me? Oh, man, they want to weaken me. What weakens me?
Maybe to see your son crying.
Oh, and also kind of welfare. Unless it's someone else that hurt him, then that you hurt me, or maybe I did something. Or is it sometimes, once in a while, out of frustration, maybe I'm not spanking in a way I shouldn't have.
Maybe 5.1.
If I see maybe he's overcrying, I complain. But if I see he's ashamed, because he's human, I apologize. Oh, Buba, sorry. Kissing my eye at ice cream. But for something to wake me at this point, I don't think I can pinpoint.
Matthias.
No. When you get to know God, nothing bothers you anymore. I sometimes can say Jamanyamino. You can't be bothered about anything. How?
It said Jamanyamino works.
It works. Now who are we? Within 7 days, you about how many countries? Different countries. You enter some places and you're like, wow, God, what were you thinking about when you created this thing? Ocean National Geographic, you see these animals there.
95.1.
Is it not surprising? So within 7 days, then who are you living it for? Because if you worry, you can't handle it. What you say?
Do you see yourself being a pastor one day? Say they will see Donya me now. On finance from no.
I wouldn't call it pastor. No.
Prophetess.
No.
Evangelist.
Many prophetic gifts na me the Bible mamo. Let me show me future answer. Before I come out and tell you people I have a prophetic call. I don't think I will call it, even if I get to that point, I won't tag myself a pastor. No, because you say, I don't want to offend anybody. But I think the pastors have given Christianity a bad name.
Onua
a lot
FM,
of them.
95.1.
I'm not saying all of them. Some of them. I wouldn't ever want to be tagged a pastor, but a woman of God. And yes, actually, woman of God. It's a woman of God, like, who does, and yet you don't have to preach to be a woman of God. So in my outreach and my philanthropy and all that, in the way I speak to people, and everything you do, you are doing the Lord's work in Chi. So say, I'm intentional with your mom, and your pastor person. We can do God's job without tagging it.
And now without going to a software school, our share software tie, share software shoe. With my pastor, I will feel
more shoes.
Come more mirror shoe being the face that will be. Hey, so new.
Onua FM, 95.1.
But your final words for listeners.
Listeners, I can see a lot of people watching from my live. I can imagine in confirmation from what there. Thank you so much, everybody, for the support, the mommy. But like I always say in life, take your time. Take your time. Take your time. And you're rushing. I'm sure it was social media. I'm going to be free. Felicia, be free. Be free. Good. So please, I'm sure you're social media. And confirm boy and money pressure. So momo Debbie. Manage yourself, be content, and take your time. Relax. Life, dear. Once you are ready to make it, life will help you make it. So, enjoy and be careful. Stay safe. Thank you for listening, guys.
95.1.
Ready from the horse's own mouth, or say a man who pressure because they want to be free. Be brave. Who on out the share between back up ocean back on a bed now, or Jenadie. Into a man who pressure, I dear want to mentor and for soon talk. So what I say, who to soccer 27,000 or Sabicum, or Sanibicum. So what a common as it. Into a name. Diamond Michelle, and in the bonk more or Juma. So what I say.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Safin, what you need in the end was why you late. But Mr. Mara, you're 4 days more. It is only late in the yard much now, but when they say about 10:30, prepare penalty to feed the end here. You free copy said 12 now, and son of the baby, and now do feed in your thought. I say, show Papa now, they shall say 10:30 near upon 12. When you're going to turn out some of our fans. Never did you make a car come every my friend Felicia or say. Fine girls in class prefect. Was serious boy and a serious girlfriend. From Ghana, attitude from no man. To put them quabantine, to put them. Could you not want Nana call me Jamie producer. GH boy and I don't even come very. Robert and so I say. Faculty. Don't wait, she said, what band to me any so. She told you, she told him to. Petra so ha. Yeah, that's here for any of her phone, small for papaya or Maryland, Marine to me few. Okay. What to grind? What to grind more shout out? Yammy, I don't watch Nabeshi and the sense in a tear for near door for Munina.